Alrighty, today we're doing these super cute stiletto flower French tip nails. And yes, this is a full professional grade gel X set that I totally did not put on with sticky tabs. We're doing nail art, so let's begin. Of course, we have to prep the nails like a true nail tech does. Duh. If it looks like I know what I'm doing, well then perfect. That's all that matters.
Baby girl, you are so pretty, 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 pretty. Baby girl, you are so pretty, 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 pretty. Females made you just to trick me, trick me, trick me, trick me. 'Cause baby girl, you are so easily pretty. The only reason that I came to tonight is 'cause I know you were invited. The only reason that this dress is skin tight is 'cause I thought that you would like it. I'm only gone for the secret outside. Because I want you to like that. The only reason I came to tonight is because I really like you. And I can know hide it. Went to wherever your mind then. The nicest the clothes of your touches. Why just tell me that you feel like I do. Just because it's so smooth.
I'm basic, so I'm going in with 2 layers of soft pink gel. And because I need to pretend like this isn't just a press-on nail pretending to be expensive, yes, I'm curling these sticky tabs under a UV lamp. Mind your business. Yes, I went with a classic look. I did some white French tips because why not? Okay, they're looking professional. Now I'm adding these little flower foils for the design, which only took me like 10 tries not to rip them in half. Anyways, it's giving a floral fantasy or whatever. It's cute. So now we're just sealing it all in. Even my lines deserve to be shiny. So yeah, this is the final look. These are perfect if you want to look like you got $90 to $100 set, but still could take them off at 2 a.m. Anyways, if you want to see more fake gel X nails, but make it fancy, like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next video.